Once upon a time, in the bustling town of Sweetville, there was a little boy named Charlie who loved adventures, especially those that involved yummy treats. One sunny afternoon, as he wandered the alleys behind the local library, he stumbled upon a dusty sign that read, "Mr. Sorbet's Ice Cream Emporium." Curious, Charlie pushed open the creaky door and found himself in a whimsical ice cream parlor that he had never noticed before. Inside, the shop was a wonderland of colors and scents. The walls were lined with jars of candies, and bells jingled softly as an old man with twinkling eyes and a long, white beard greeted him. "Welcome, young Charlie," said the old man, whose name, as Charlie soon learned, was Mr. Sorbet. "In this shop, we serve the most magical of ice creams." Mr. Sorbet led Charlie to a glass counter displaying a myriad of shimmering, swirling ice cream flavors. "Each flavor here," he explained, "has a secret enchantment." Charlie's eyes widened with wonder. The first scoop he tried was bubblegum cloud. As soon as the cool sweetness touched his tongue, Charlie felt himself gently lift off the ground, floating a few feet above the floor like a light little balloon. Laughing, he realized this flavor was indeed magical. Next, he sampled Snoozeberry Swirl, which, as promised, gave him a gentle 5-minute nap right there on a fluffy chair by the window, a nap filled with delightful dreams. As Charlie enjoyed his magical ice cream feast, he noticed a shifty, grumpy visitor lurking in a corner, watching Mr. Sorbet closely. The man's name was Greedo Gambit, known in town for his greedy schemes. Charlie had an uneasy feeling about him, but shrugged it off. Suddenly, Charlie overheard Greedo plotting to steal the recipe book. "With it, I will have the power to make the world's most magical ice cream all for myself," he whispered greedily. Alarmed, young Charlie knew he had to act fast to save the shop's magic. With a quick and clever plan, Charlie distracted Greedo by enticing him towards a sampling of confused berry jam, a flavor that, when tasted, made the taster see everything upside down for 5 minutes. While Greedo staggered through the shop, bewildered, Charlie tiptoed over to the recipe book resting on the counter and swiftly handed it back to Mr. Sorbet. Mr. Sorbet, grateful and relieved, conjured a special scoop called Heroic Raspberry Ripple, and bestowed it upon Charlie as a reward for his bravery. "Thank you, Charlie," said the old man, "you've saved the magic of my shop." Word spread quickly about Charlie's daring deeds, and the townsfolk celebrated him as a hero of Sweetville. As for Greedo, he left the shop with a changed heart, now humbled by Charlie's bravery and the kindness of Mr. Sorbet. From that day on, Charlie made sure to visit Mr. Sorbet's Ice Cream Emporium, enjoying new magical adventures with every visit. Charlie kept the secret flavors of Sweetville safe for all to delight in. And so, Sweetville remained ever joyful, full of laughter and the delightful magic of Mr. Sorbet's enchanting ice creams, thanks to Charlie's courage and heart.